Buongiorno, Vario stick here. You might remember a couple of weeks ago I said I bought one of these. It's a wildlife camera. It works during the day, but also with its infrared flashlights and its lens and its sensor, it'll work very well during the night. Now I'll do a full product review on it in a week or two's time when I've had a full test, but in the meantime I'll put it out on the lane at the back of our house and the roundabout on our property to see what it would see. So please enjoy this first Abruzzo night watch or Abruzzo wildlife watch. If you like it, leave some comments below. If there's anything on it that you'd like to see again or more of, then leave something in the comments below. So enjoy our first Abruzzo nature watch. Lovely red fox here. It's not something you see during the daytime. These red foxes only come out at night. Very common in the UK, but out here, very rare. Fascinating this. Just out of shot on the left, an owl drops in, picks up a mouse and flies off with it. I'll play the video twice so you can see. There's the first time, coming in again in a sec. This is the first little shot on the black and white faced badger. I've never seen them around here, but clearly they're there, but they only come out at night. Inevitably, I guess, we move on to the wild boar. This is the little lane that just runs up to our house. If you've got any headphones, put them on, just listen to them crunching those acorns. All the trees you can see are oak, and they drop tons and tons of acorn. At this time of year, I guess that's all they've got to eat. But quite a bit of footage here of the wild boar as they move up the lane. Fascinating, but don't ever forget, these things are very, very dangerous indeed. This boar starts to flick around with its snout a stone to get to the acorns underneath. It's about the size of a shoebox, that stone. They're very, very powerful. It's a mixed group of adults, this, with adults and 1- and 2-year-old youngsters. I think this is the big male that's now moving into shot. He must be nearly a metre tall. looked at this time and time again. What's that little thing running off into the distance? I just can't make out what it is. I'll play the video again, see what you think. Just shows you that it's not all wild animals about at night. Even the cats need to have a look for the odd mouse. And the sun comes up on the lane. You wouldn't think it was the same place, would you? A completely different world. Any ideas what this is? I've looked at this and I cannot work out what it is. Leave some comments below if you think you know. Hope you enjoyed that. That was rather good. I love the boar, particularly that big male who rumbled up to the camera later on. And that badger. I don't know where the sets are around here. I've never seen them and I've been out walking extensively. I do know that badgers do travel a long way at night. And one or two other mysteries as well. And that only came really from about a week's worth of having the camera out. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please leave something in the comments below. In the meantime, please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget my Facebook page at Vario. As I say, if there's anything you'd like to see again or more of, please leave something in the comments below. So from my wildlife camera in sunny Abruzzo, this is Vario saying ciao ciao for now.